Hello students, this is Pallav sir, and today I will explain question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 13.5, chapter 13, surface area and volume. Now let us check what is there in question number 4. In question number 4 we have find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8-meter long, 6-meter broad and 3-meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. Okay, so there is one cuboidal pit whose length is given, students. So length is given 8-meter, breadth is given 6-meter, and depth means height is given 3-meter. Okay, now we need to first find out the volume of a cuboidal pit, then only we can find out the cost of digging. Okay, so the first thing we will find out is volume of cuboidal pit. And this would be equals to volume of cuboid only, that is length into breadth into height. Now length is 8-meter, breadth is 6-meter, and height is 3-meter. And this would be equals to what? This would be equals to 144 meter cube. So this is the volume of the cuboidal pit. Now, as given in the question, cost of digging per meter cube is equals to rupees 30 given. So now we have to, now this is the volume that was digged. Okay, so we have to find out the cost of this much volume. So cost of digging 144 meter cube is equals to 30 into 144, and if you multiply this you will get the answer as 4320. Okay, so this is the required solution of question number 4, students. Now let us move on to question number 5. Here is question number 5. Now in question number 5 the capacity of a cuboidal tank is given. So capacity of cuboidal tank, and this would be equals to volume of cuboid. Always remember that when capacity is given, that means they are talking about volume. So volume of cuboidal tank, and this volume of cuboidal tank is given as 50,000 liters. 50,000 liters, students. Okay, now what you can do is that you can convert this liter form into the meter cube form. Fine, so in that way what you can do is you can divide this by 1000. So now you can write meter cube. So reduce this to 3 zeros. So in other words you can say that the capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50 meter cube. Fine. Now they have given you have to find out the breadth of the tank, where the length and depth is given. That means length is given 2.5 meter, and depth means, as I said, it is height, so it is given 10 meter, and you have to find out the breadth. So now what would be the volume of the tank? volume of tank would be equals to volume of cuboid, isn't it? Now we'll substitute the values. That is 2.5 meter. Breadth we have to find out, and in breadth we have to find out h is 10 meter. Okay, so something b meter is there, so it would be 25 meter, sorry 25 b meter cube. Okay, so volume of the tank is 25 b meter cube, and this is also volume of the tank, that is 50 meter cube. So both are same. So in place of volume of tank we can write 50 meter cube also, isn't it? Because both are same only. Okay, so this will be meter square, let it be, because 2 meters are there only. Now to get the value of b, okay, we have to take 25 towards which side? Towards left hand side. So it will look like 50 meter cube upon 25 meter square is equals to breadth. Now let us reduce this. So first of all we'll reduce the unit, so meter square with this, and 25 twos are. So your required answer would be 2 meter. Okay students, so this is the solution of question number 5. Now let us do question number 6. So this will be the last sum of today's session. Now what is 6? In question number 6 they have said a village having a population of 4,000. So population of a village, you will write it down, population of village is equals to 4,000. Fine. And requires 150 liters of water per head per day. That is consumption of water per head per day. That is equals to 150 liter. That means one person is using 150 liter per day. So how many liters will this all people will use? So water consumption by 4,000 people in a day would be what? In a day would be obviously more, that is 4,000 into 150, and this would be equals to what? 6 lakhs liters. That means in one day the population of a village consumes 6 lakh liters in one day only. Okay, now if you move on to the next sentence of the question, that is it has a tank. There is one tank in a village which measures 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. That means length is given 20 meter, breadth is given 15 meter, and height is given 6 meter. So these are all the dimensions of the tank. Fine. So dimension of tank. Fine. So what is the first thing we'll do? We'll find out the volume of tank. So what is volume of tank? So as it is having a cuboidal shape, so we'll apply the formula of cuboid. So that would be length into breadth into height, and that would be 20 into 15 into 6 meter cube. So if you multiply all this, then you will get the answer as 18,000, I guess. 18,000, no, not 18,000, 1800 meter cube. Okay, Now, as this is the uh, total water consumption by 4000 people in a day, okay, and this is the volume of tank which is having 1800 meter cube. Now see, this is in the liter form and this is in the meter cube form. So let us convert this meter cube form into the liter form. In that way, what you have to do is you have to multiply 1800 with 1000. Fine. That means water can hold 18 lakh liter. 1 2 3 4 18 lakh liter water. Now at last they have asked for how many days will the water of this tank last. So it's an easy question. If in one day 6 lakh liter is consumed by a people, so 18 lakh liter will be 18 lakh liter will last for how many days? It's a very easy calculation. So water consumed, no, water will last, sorry, water will last is equals to 18 lakh by 6 lakhs. Okay, so if you reduce it, you get the answer as 3. That means 3 days. Okay, the volume of water in a tank will last for 3 days. So this is the solution of question number 6. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you and take care everyone.